So today I'm going to show you guys how to wire in the brake lights on the 240. These are from Japan because, you know, hot boy stuff. What's new? Anyways, so I did one real quick just to see if it works, and it did work. I tried looking up tutorials online, couldn't really find one, so I decided I'm gonna make one to show you guys how it's done. Literally, it's so simple. All I did was literally match the wires up, so it's like green and white, green and yellow, and then black and black. I bought these guys. This is what I use. I bought them. I have this crimping stuff. It literally, that's all you need. All you need is this and this. Nothing else. You don't need nothing else. You need the OEM taillights, so I have them back here. I take out the plug. I'll show you guys how I take it out and stuff. But yeah, so this is the OEM one that came with the car. I don't know if you can tell, but I took it off from right here. I just cut it off, literally that simple. And then after I cut it off, I spliced it in there, or whatever you want to call this. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's so simple. I did the right one. About to do, well, I'll do the other one because this one's a little bit hard to get to, but I'll get to this one right here on this side. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So to get to here, all you have to do, there's a little panel right here. You literally just pops off. Very simple. And then you should have working tail lights by the end of the day. I did my first one fairly quickly. What are you getting all excited for? Anyways, yeah, let's get started. What I do first is I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and unscrew this. I took it off. It was just that one bolt that was bolted in there, and then I popped it out. And this is the part that you want to save, this plug. So I literally go up here and I just cut the wire at the very tip of that because I'm not going to be using that part. So yeah, then you have 3 separate wires. I just set that off to the side, and now I'm going to go here, and on this one I'm literally going to cut it from right here on the plug, not the light bulb, but the plug. So I'm going to cut it right there. Alright, so I cut the other wires off, and now I have this. And dude, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing, but just do that so the wire shows, you know what I mean? I'm not some kind of wire guy. I'm guessing from what I've seen in the past. You want to do that, you want to do the same thing on these 3 like you did with these 3, right? So let me show you real quick. All 3 are like that. All 3 are like this. And just match the colors, color coordinate. So black with black, you know, green with white line with green with white line, and then green with yellow line with green with yellow line. If you don't know how to use these, you literally just grab this, and now like you just twist the top of it, go like that, and then you put it in like that. You grab this and you pinch it, and then you're gonna do it with the other side also. On the green with yellow, you get green with yellow, you put it in, and then you crimp it, and that's it. And that's literally all there is to it. Then, like I said, black with black, and then green with the yellow stripe, green with the yellow stripe, green with the white stripe, green with the white stripe. Plug those together in, and then crimp it just like you crimp these ones. Alright, so now that I got all of it coordinated, okay, you want to grab the old plug and plug it in like that. To test it out, you have someone push the brakes. Yep, and it works. See that? It's literally that simple. Anyway, but yeah, so I suck with wiring, and I was able to do this, so I'm sure you can follow along. It's literally so simple. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the others, other pieces like this light right here, and like back here. So I did these 2, obviously, the inner ones. Now I'm gonna work on the outer ones. And yeah, I'll show you guys the finished results of what it looks like. Okay, so I have all the wiring hooked up, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. See? It all works just fine. Turn signal. Right signal works. Left signal works. It all works fine. Flashers. But yeah, see, it's that simple. It just took me like an hour or so. These are my June taillights on an S13, which is pretty sick that I get to have them now. And they actually work. They're wired up just fine. I didn't have to buy the pigtails, because I know someone sells it for like $80, but that's just a waste of money. I literally got this for $3, you know? This is a way better deal. $3, and they work just fine. Reverse lights would work too if I had just wired up my transmission the correct way. Hope it was helpful, and that you guys could follow along. I tried to make it as easy as possible. Try to explain it as best as I could. I know sometimes I'm not really that good at explaining. I think next we'll talk about what Zane just bought for his 240, and then we'll do a better reveal on my car, because right now this is all you guys are seeing. I'll show you the rest of it later. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.